Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best long-range Wi-Fi routers available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. ASUS ROG Wi-Fi 6 Gaming Router RTS88U. ASUS RTS88U is a powerful router that you can easily drop in as a replacement for your existing setup, and it has a great balance of range and features that will meet the needs of just about anyone. Best of all, it uses the latest and fastest version of the Wi-Fi standard, called Wi-Fi 6, so it will serve your home well for years to come. The sleek, low-profile design of the RTS88U means it won't look too out of place in your home, and the 4 antennas give it enough range to cover a typical 4 to 5 bedroom house, depending on where you place it. You'll also find a collection of 8 wired ports on the back for connecting devices that need top performance or simply don't have Wi-Fi. We'll be honest, the web interface is a bit daunting. It's designed more for power users who want to do a lot of tweaking, but fortunately, ASUS also has a mobile app for iPhone and Android. There's no shortage of advanced features here, but they're tucked away, so you won't need to worry about them unless you want to dig in deeper. Number 2. Netgear Orbi Tri-Band Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System. As a mesh Wi-Fi system, the Orbi is all about giving you the best performance and coverage by letting you place multiple satellite units around your home in the places where you need the best signal. If you're like most families, that means you'll probably want one in the living room or rec room for getting smooth Netflix streaming on your smart TV and lag-free gaming on your Xbox or PS5. Need even more coverage? You can buy additional Orbi satellite units to spread an even wider net of coverage throughout your home. Best of all, as we explain in our full review, this one is really easy to set up and provides great features like sophisticated parental controls and lots of room for connecting your wired devices too. Number 3. ASUS ROG Rapture Wi-Fi 6 Gaming Router GTX1000. Yes, this router looks like a beast, but it also has the performance to match, with the power of a desktop computer packed inside. This allows it to handle all the demands of gaming traffic, delivering a lag-free performance that means you won't see everything freezing up just as you're about to make that critical shot. And there's still power and range to spare for everyone else in your home, with the 8 antennas easily covering a 3-story, 5-bedroom home. Like other ASUS routers, this one is packed with features, but it tucks them away for those who just want to quickly get up and running with the basics. As a gaming router, however, it also has a bunch of special tricks up its sleeve to give you the fastest performance, and while you can read all the details in our full review, suffice it to say this is a router that will truly help you up your game. Number 4. TPLink AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 Router Archer AX6000. TP-Link's Archer AX6000 may not be the most attractive router on our list, but it checks all the right boxes. It features support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, has solid performance, and a range boost feature that will make sure you can get online even when you're out in your backyard. What makes the Archer AX6000 really stand out is the free lifetime access to the company's Home Care Security Suite. While many other router makers charge you a monthly subscription fee if you want to access their best parental controls and other security features, TP-Link is throwing these in for the price of the router. And it's not skimping on them either. You'll be able to block websites by age categories, set up time limits for internet access, and see which websites your kids are visiting and how much time they're spending there. Number 5. Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 Router RX120. Unlike the Orbi, Netgear isn't going for subtle. Here the RX120 is part of the company's flagship Wi-Fi 6 router lineup, and Netgear is making it clear this is a powerful, futuristic router. Unlike the spidery look of traditional long-range routers, the RX120 hides its 8 antennas inside those sweeping wings for a much classier look. But they are still ready to punch out a strong signal that can cover your entire home. An impressive set of wired ports around the back gives you plenty of room for wired devices, and there's even a high-speed one should you need that for gaming or connecting other high-performance systems. Netgear also offers some of the best security and parental controls available, although sadly, you'll have to pay an extra subscription fee to take advantage.